struggle to manage your money? Then I'm here to help you. Hey, I'm Priya from Lxme, and today I'm going to talk about the golden rule of budgeting. So let's get started. 50-30-20 budgeting rule is the golden rule that helps you keep track of your expenses and maintain a budget. It will guide you to divide your take-home pay into 3 categories: your needs, wants, and savings and investments. So let's learn about all these 3 categories in detail. First, let's talk about the major component, that is 50%. So you can allocate 50% of your total earned income towards your needs. Your needs may include all your daily household expenses like groceries, EMI payments, rent, electricity bill payments, medical payments, and so on. It basically includes all your expenses that are essential and unavoidable. Moving on to the second component, that is 30%. From your total earned income, you can allocate 30% of your money towards your wants. Your wants may include all your aspirational expenses like buying a new gadget, movie or dinner nights, partying with friends, or a small vacation, and so on. It typically includes all your expenses that are not essential but what you desire. Now let's move on to the last and the most important component, that is 20%. It is essential for you to save at least 20% of your total earned income. And don't just save, invest your money for your financial goals. By the way, do you want to invest in expert curated mutual fund portfolios? Check out the Lxme app. And now it's time for the Lxme Pro Tips. Number 1, as soon as you receive your income, first save at least 20% of it and then spend the rest on your needs and wants. This will help you in inculcating the habit of regular savings and investing. And number 2, always remember that 50-30-20 percentages can be customized as per your needs. For example, if you don't have any luxury spends in a particular month, you can use that amount of money towards savings and investments. This will help you achieve your financial goals faster. So that's it from me, guys. If you'd like to know more about the budgeting rule or want me to cover any other topic related to money management, do drop your suggestions in the comment section below. For more such informative content, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and to get started with your investment journey, download the Lxme app. Thank you.